everyone. So this is just going to be a quick tutorial on how to get started with the mockup. So when you open the file, you're going to have something like this. On the right, you're going to have the layers, so the back and the front and the back. So this is the back, this is the front, and these are the logos over here. You can turn them off. This is the background, so if you want to change it, just double click, you'll get this open. Change it to whatever you want. I'm going to keep it white. So we'll just start with the back. If you go into the back, if you press this here, it will open up all the layers in the folder. So here you'll have the main color, which is currently black. You can change it however you like if you double click it. Same with the secondary color, double click it, can change it however you like. Just do black. Here you have the text, so here is the text on the back. If you press T, or if you come over here and press this to get the type, then you can click the text and you can change it to whatever you want. So you can do this, press the tick up here. If it's too big, just click the layer, press Ctrl T, and now you can scale it up and down however you like. Press enter. The same with the number, you can do whatever number you want. For example, I'll just do 0, number 1. And if you want to change the text, window, properties, when you click on the text, there'll be the character section, and then you can change the font if you like, but I like the default one, so I'm going to just keep it. And then you can see these outlines. If you want to change the color of those, over here on the text layers there's different effects, so different strokes. So if I want to change the color of this, I can double click this stroke and there will be 1 and 2. So this one's black, so that will change the black one. We'll do something a bit more obvious. And then if you click the one below it, that's the blue one. I can change that to whatever I want. Can do it like that if I want. I mean, it doesn't look great, but you can do that. And then yeah, same for the name. Double click on the stroke, can change it to whatever you want. So I can just do that for now. That's the back. We can do the front. The front is literally the same. Can change the colors to whatever you want. To start adding artwork in, so here is a layer called add artwork. If you want to use it, it's the most simple way to do so. So if you double click into it, it will open another file up. If you go to the layers, there's a guide here. You can use this guide to place your artwork. So I'm just gonna bring this in, for example. Let's make it black. So let's say I want to place it here, for example. I can do that, and then once I'm done, I will hide the guide layer, and then I'll press Ctrl S to save. If not, come up here and press save. Then I can go back and it is exactly where I want it. If you don't like that, you don't need to use this layer, and instead you can just drag and drop right on top, just move it, that's fine. This is in Illustrator, so I can just grab this, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and I can put that there, and that's pretty much how to add the artwork quite easily. So if you want the badge to hang on the edge, it's already made so that anything that you paste inside the group, so I'm going to take this, I'm going to paste it inside the group. Once I paste it in, it's already clipped to the shirt, so anything that comes off it, it will basically be hidden. So I can just move this and put it exactly where I want, and it looks like it's already on the shirt. So That's perfect. Just to finish it off, I'll just add this here quick. That looks horrible, but to make it so it looks really like it's on the shirt, what you want to do is click the artwork or the badge, and you can see this is the layer. What you want to do is press FX, go to blending options, and then you'll have this little slider here, which you can see. As you drag it, it kind of disappears from the shirt. So what you want to do is start at either side, the white or the black, it doesn't really matter. Hold Alt and then click the slider, and then you can just drag it slightly, and as you can see it's kind of fading into the shirt. And then you can do the same on the other side if you want to, until it starts to fade in a bit. But that's how you kind of make it look more realistic if you really want to. It's not necessary, but just looks a bit better. And there you go, you can see it's kind of faded into the shirt as well, and you can do the same with all the layers. So I'll just move it so you can see. Can I zoom in? Yeah. So you can see it's got way more detail now, and it looks a lot more retro. So if you want to do that, you can. It's up to you. You don't need to do it, but it does look good. Maybe I've done it a bit too much, but you can do it however you like. I think it will do. That's pretty much how to use it in simple terms. If you have any questions, let me know. To export it as well, just up here, file, export as, then you can change the resolution, export, save it, and there you go.